Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I got a new wig to share with you, and this is from a company called Niawigs of NiaWigs.com. I am very excited for this unit because I really have been wanting one of these style wigs for forever. I actually have one in my cart on Amazon, and this one once again just fell in my lap. So this was sent to me for review, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into this baby. I can't wait. I sure hope this shit looks good on me, girl. Let's go ahead and get into it. Now again, y'all know how I feel about my packaging. I love a cute package. This just makes it just feel that much more special when you get something in the mail and it comes nicely packaged. Okay, when it just comes thrown in a bag or thrown in an envelope, you know, that just cheapens the experience, and we ain't got time for that. We want all the thrills and the feels when it comes to everything. Okay, everything. I want all the thrills and feels. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right into it. This box is just giving me life. I just love that it's black and gold. Those are my colors. Everybody knows I love gold, honey. Yes, and black is one of my favorites. So let's open it. Alright, so I love the little sleeve. That's cute. That's very cute. Oh. Alright, okay. Push through Niawigs. Ooh, and you get a little satin bag for it. Yes, honey. All the looks, honey. Very luxurious. Very luxurious, honey. Very luxurious. Look at that. Girl, I would tell you to feel it, but I know you can't. But I wish you could. But this is satin. Girl, look at this bag. This is too cute. Child, let me find out. I'm getting all the thrills and the feels of my wig. Let me find out. Okay, so this is it. But wait, let's go ahead and see what else is included. Alright, so you do get a pack of wig caps, the beige wig caps that I love, and an adjustable wig band in here. So you get some elastic band to sew inside your unit should you need it. 9 times out of 10, if you're like me and you don't like gluing your units, you would want to install this band. I love the fact that it's adjustable like a bra strap and has the logo on the back. Okay then, that is too cute. Look at that. Okay, I'm feeling that. I'm feeling that. Okay then. All expectations have been met. Okay, as far as the presentation and the packaging, loving it. So let's go ahead and get into the unit. Let's see if the unit compares to the packaging. Okay. Alright, this is it. Let's take off that hairnet. Let's unnet that thing. Ooh. Girl. Ooh. Okay then. Let's shake it out. Shake it out. Okay, okay. And I believe I do have this in 12 inches. Now all the information will be down below in the description box. So girl, don't skip over it. It's right there. I've never left you hanging, okay? Always click what I provide for you in the description box. I promise you, it's giving you everything you need. I would never leave you hanging. Just check it out. Just check it out. Alright, but let's get back into this unit. Okay, she has a natural hairline. And it's pre-plucked, so girl, we ain't got to put in no work. All we got to do is cut the lace, sew in our band, girl, and go. Oh, look at this. Oh, she's pretty, and I love the color of the lace. It's not a starky white. It has like a brown tinge to it for us brown girls, honey. Loving it, loving it, loving it. But yeah, it is pre-plucked, if you can tell. See that? And it comes with some baby hairs for you baby hair slickers. But look, I ain't tripping though. I love baby hairs too. I do. I just have a love-hate relationship with them because it's just a lot of work. And it messes up my makeup, honey. I'm a makeup wearer. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this cap construction. Now we do get a lot of parting space there. Look at all that parting space. And so you got lace from ear to ear. Pretty deep parting space back into the crown of the head. So we got 2 temple combs here. You get a comb in the back, some adjustable straps, and you got a little lace in the back for some updos. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. Look at this hair though. Oh, girl, look at them curls. They are popping. Girl, just a little water and some mousse or some light hold styling gel. She's rocking. She's the one. So how about this? How about I go ahead and cut the lace and come back with this baby on, styled, you know, kind of shined up, looking all right, and I come back and do some of that old posing for you, and you know, give you my final thoughts on this unit. How about that? I'll be right back. So girl, I'm back. I got my lace cut and I got my strap adjusted here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. I'm gonna see what this fit feels like, and should I need the adjustable strap. I'm gonna go ahead and stick it in, as it will go right here on the sides. It has the little hookies there. So we ain't even got to sew nothing, girl. We can just hook those right into the cap. So easy. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, so here are the prongs and here are the hooks. If you wear a bra, girl, you should be wearing a bra. If you ain't, you know how to hook these. You should be wearing a bra. Okay. I know you ain't got them things dangling, hanging, and swinging. And you just hook it in. See what I'm doing? You just hook it in, girl. Hook that thing. Just like you would your bra. And there it is. Just like that. So let's go ahead and put it on. So she's cute. Check out this scalp though. OMGG, girl. I didn't do anything to it but put it on, like nothing. I did nothing to this unit. OMGG. Now though, I mean, well, I didn't do anything to the scalp or the lace. Now what I did do is I went in with my Nature's Protein Coconut Restore Curl Mousse. This stuff is the bomb.com. I absolutely love it. And it comes out like a foam, much like a, you know, a setting foam. And girl, I just went in and just hydrated these curls, honey. Make these curls pop, just like this. Ooh, girl. She is too cute, and it just looks so real. She looks so real. Looks so real. Look at that. Look at that hairline. Again, this is from Niawigs.com. Now, what I am going to do is I'm going to take my little baby hair comb here. I'm going to maybe clip them a little because they are a bit long. So I'm going to cut just a smidge of this off. Just a smidge. Just a smidge. Just a little around the front, you know. Just making sure I get only the short pieces, because I ain't got time to be cutting the length, you know. Just a little, these little baby hairs. Just like that. Just like that. And next, I'm gonna go in with some edge control, girl. This is the edge control that I use. This is Second Touchdown. This is what it looks like. And this one's in the shea butter scent, girl. It's no flaking, tames frizz, all that jazz. You know what it feels like? It feels like jam, if you've ever heard of jam. That is what it feels like a little bit. But I feel like this stuff is the bomb.com, and it smells so good, girl. It smells so good. Look at it. Second Touchdown Edge Tamer. Second Touchdown Edge Tamer. Girl, it smells so good, so divine. So what I'm gonna do is go around my little baby hairs. Lay them jokers down, girl. Figure out which way I want them to go, you know? Just like that. Nothing too serious, you know. Y'all know I be falling out with these baby hair situations. Girl, I am back. Look at this unit, girl. This is the most natural looking unit I've worn thus far. So pretty. The hair is gorgeous. It feels amazing. Girl, I look amazing. The hair looks amazing. Let me show you the back. Oh, girl, it's so cute. I am loving the length. I love the curls. I love everything about this. The front looks cute. The baby hairs just make this unit. Though you don't need baby hairs, but honey, these baby hairs are really cute. Okay, I'm digging it. So pretty. Girl, let me know what you think of Niawigs.com, because this one's too cute. And this is human hair, y'all. 100% human hair. You can do whatever you want. If you just wanted to blow dry your curly unit straight for some reason, girl, you can do that. I never do that. If I buy a curly wig, I'm buying a curly wig because I want a curly wig and I'm gonna leave it curly. That's what I do. If I want a straight wig, I'll order a straight wig. But this one is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. No glue, no tape, just the unit, Look at that. Ooh. And this unit was super affordable, like super affordable. Girl, be sure to check out the link, girl. Check it out. Look how pretty this is. Ugh. Girl, giving me scalp realness. Too cute. Too cute. So girl, we can do whatever we want with this. This is too cute. I'm vibing with this one. I'm loving it. I'm so loving it. This is like one of those wash and goes. So pretty. Alright, girl, be sure to check out that description box and click that link. Get yourself hooked up with Niawigs.com, honey, because this is one of those units you need in your life. This one's so cute. Super cute. And as you see, you can do so much with it. Part it however you like, honey. Toss it. Part it. Swoop it, girl. Pin it up. Pull it into a ponytail. Do whatever you like. Look how it's just laying flat with that adjustable strap in there. There's no lifting, girl. My lace is laid, honey. My lace is laid, child. What wig? What wig? Girl, this one's it. She's cute. Vibing with this one. I am vibing with this one. She's it. Girl, she's it. Girl, be sure to check out Niawigs. Check out that link down in the description box, girl. Check it out. This is definitely one for your wig collection. Even if you're just starting out in wigs, this is the one you want to start with first. Easy, low maintenance. All you have to do is add some little setting lotion or some mousse, girl. You can pick up mousse from the Dollar Tree. You can pick up edge control almost anywhere, but you want that second touchdown edge control though. That's the one you want. You want that second touchdown edge control. Not just any edge control. Second touchdown is what you want. I absolutely love it, girl. It is the best. No flakiness. You don't get any of that icky whiteness. This one's the one. Loving it. Girl, that's it for me. Let me know what you think of my new unit, girl. Let me know, okay? Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of my uploads, okay? I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. Bye.